of stupid question is that?
Is that your spot? Is that your spot? Look at this angel. Hi guys, what is freaking up? In today's video, we are gonna be packing for Europe and making myself look cute and pretty because I don't really feel cute or pretty. Either way, I'm having one of my favorite snacks. A girl named Danielle that I follow is just like a caviar princess. Like literally, her family owns a caviar brand and she just eats caviar all the time. But one of her favorite snacks is these corn crisps with mussels and Momofuku chili crunch. I'm so excited to go, but it's making me realize that I don't romanticize my life in LA and I need to start doing it because I don't vlog that often in LA, but LA is a city that everyone loves to come and visit and film and hang out and do fun stuff at, and I don't do anything fun in LA, I feel like. This is kind of what it looks like. It's a little gross that I'm eating canned mussels, but it just tastes amazing. That is yummy. That is so yummy. I just really like this meal. Also, it is how many grams of protein? 15 grams of protein. Matt has been on a crazy bulk phase. I don't know, Matt looks incredible right now, and the only thing he's really changed about his diet is that he just eats way more protein. He's like the leanest I've ever seen him, and I'm so proud of him, and it's kind of convincing me to eat more protein in my diet.
Ready, it's time for your daily vitamins.
So sweet of you, thank you. Matt is so cute. Literally gives me my vitamins every single morning.
If I don't take care of you, you will not take care of yourself.
That's not true.
That is
kind of
100%
true.
true.
Okay guys, it's been a couple of hours. I actually ended up doing my own eyelash extensions at home. I don't know, I tried it out to see if it would work or not, and then I got sidetracked, but I did see that an Amazon driver just stopped by, and so did FedEx, and I think my packages that I wanted to open up for you guys are in, so let me open them. But literally guys, the lashes are looking good. They say they're gonna last up to 5 days. I'll give you guys an update if they do or not. I don't know if they will, but I used Flutter Habit. I've used them before. They did not last for more than like 24 hours, but I watched a girl do it on TikTok and she said hers lasts for like 5 days if you do it the certain way. So I tried it. We will see. Look what's here. If you guys haven't seen, I officially discovered ThredUp when they first sponsored my video 5 months ago, and let me tell you guys, I am obsessed. I am obsessed with ThredUp. Last time I got stuff from ThredUp, I got vintage Fendi, vintage Coach, Alice and Olivia. Like, I got really good brands for like 90% off, so that was crazy. So yeah, shout out to ThredUp for sponsoring today's video. Okay, so I've kind of been obsessed with buying vintage Coach ever since I discovered that ThredUp has like a huge section for vintage Coach pieces, and I always wanted to own Coach as a little girl, and now that I can afford it, I never just go around buying it, and I got a cute little Coach wristlet, super cute. I figured when I'm in Paris, I can just throw this in my little bag, or I can wear it as a little shoulder bag. Like, that is so adorable. I feel like Coach's newest pieces that are brand new are beautiful, so I feel like pretty soon vintage Coach pieces are gonna be worth a lot more, so go pick up some Coach pieces. This was $25 on ThredUp, and this was originally $90. Oh, this is soft. Ooh, what is this? Okay, this is from Zara. I did buy a few pieces from Zara just because Zara has really cute stuff. This is a satin midi dress in a chocolate brown color. I'm digging this, and this would be so cute when I'm in Paris. It's just like a little sexy, a little sleek, a little classy. So on ThredUp, this was $38, but originally it was $75 from Zara. So I am struggle boating real hard about my trip to Europe, because if you've ever been traveling to Europe, you know that it is small cobblestone streets, and having a big suitcase is really going to prevent you from getting around the city, especially when you're going into Portugal. So I'm bringing one carry-on suitcase and a duffel bag. But I know when I go to Portugal and Paris, I want to go vintage shopping because I find it really fun to go thrifting and vintage shopping in different cities. So I think I'm gonna bring this duffel bag with me. I love that it has like this acid wash vintage feel to it. This is a lot better quality than I expected it to be, and it was only $20. All right, second box. I feel like the vibe in Portugal is very bright and colorful, and my vibe that I'm bringing to Paris is gonna be a little bit more classy, a little bit more sophisticated, a little more black, white, neutrals. So I will be bringing this beautiful bodycon dress. It is from For Love and Lemons, aka my favorite store ever. This is originally $230, and I got it for $45. That's 85% off. This next piece screams Portugal. I'm so excited to wear it to Portugal. It is this beautiful summer dress in a bright yellow. This is from Lovers and Friends. They have so many pieces from Revolve, guys. If you guys have ever wanted to shop at Revolve and you're like, oh, I can't imagine spending like $200 on a freaking dress, go to ThredUp. All of the brands that are at Revolve are also on ThredUp, and for like a quarter of the price. So this beautiful dress, this was originally $102 and I got it for 26 bucks. Like, how beautiful is this tortoise shell ring right here? That is so pretty. Also, guys, if you want to order from ThredUp, I actually have a discount code for you guys, and it is a great ass discount code. You can use my code for 40% off. All right, we're on to the last box, guys. It's here. It's here. Okay, it is this vintage Coach scarf. It is a silk scarf that I got for $57, but with that 40% off code, it would have been an extra like 20 bucks off. I got something from Reformation. This is the first piece I own from Reformation. This was originally $212 from Reformation, and I was able to get it for $77. Nothing makes me happier when a dress that I've fallen in love with just fits me like a glove. This is beautiful. I feel like this is a piece I could wear for years and years and years and years. Okay, last thing was like a wild card for me. This is a dress from Lovers and Friends, originally $102. I got it for 30 bucks, so pretty much 70% off. Okay, so I just tried on this dress. It's so cute, and it actually fits me like a glove. It fits me so well. I do have absolutely no titties. I'm a part of the itty bitty titty committee. Actually, I think I'm like the CEO of the itty bitty titty committee. She's so pretty. So yeah, that is pretty much everything that I got from ThredUp. If you guys want to go check out ThredUp, go use my link down below for 40% off your first order. And if you guys just want to be a lot more sustainable and you guys are traveling this summer or you're just doing something fun, they have swimsuits, they have workout clothes, they literally have everything. All right, guys, I'm gonna head out to get my hair done, but like, this is my outfit. I'm wearing Coach, Reformation. I feel really cute in this fit. Okay. All right, I made it to the hair salon. I'm so excited to see Rosie. Here's the hair, very dark. I think we're just going in for like a quick little toner, just because it fades out. Also, my hair is very dirty. I feel so cute in this outfit. Oh guys, I just got done with my hair. I am so in love with it. We decided to go darker, so she's really dark. We kind of went almost black. It is so pretty. Also, I love the way they gave me a blowout. It is feeling so soft and healthy. I also got a little deep hair conditioning mask. Oh my gosh. Guys, I am obsessed. I don't know why I ever went blonde. I do think I looked cute with blonde hair, but I definitely look better with my natural hair color. And yeah, if you guys want to go to Rosie, you guys should definitely check her out. She is in Orange County. I'm obsessed. I feel so pretty right now. I need to drive home now because it's gonna take 2 hours to drive home. It only takes 2 hours for me to get my hair done, so I literally drive like 3.5 hours just to to get my hair done. It's okay because I am so loyal to Rosie. She's just done such an incredible job with my hair and she's so fast. So it makes up for the fact that it takes 2.5 hours to drive back and forth, sometimes 3. All right guys, it is the next day now. It is time for me to start packing up for freaking Europe. I literally leave in 2 days. This morning I got all of my Amazon stuff. I saw it, I organized everything. And so now we're gonna start putting all of like the big bottles of stuff into tiny little bottles. When I'm in the US, I'm not really strict about all the liquids that I bring just because I have TSA pre-check and not once have I ever been stopped because I don't have my liquids in like a TSA clear bag. But what I do remember about going to Europe is that they're way more strict about that type of stuff. It was really weird when I visited them like 5 years ago. So I'm gonna have to make sure that everything is super small. I'm bringing just the right amount to take with me because I don't want to get stopped and then I have to throw away all of my products and then spend hundreds of dollars in Europe. Okay, so here I have all of my TSA stuff that I bought from Amazon. These pink little organizers are so adorable, but I also bought this from Amazon. Let me try to open this. I got it to open and this is so nice because these bottles are squeezy bottles. These are really nice because they don't take up a lot of space once you use the products. So I'm gonna bring these because they are so amazing. I'm super excited to use them and fill them up with products. It also came with a bunch of small tubs as well, which is super convenient. Does this not look like a Tatcha bottle? It's so freaking cute. And they also gave me these little stickers. I actually have everything labeled that I'm bringing a small version of. I'm gonna print this out and make them into stickers. And then in this bag right here, I have all of the products I am gonna make into little minis. Okay guys, so I finally made everything small. Look how freaking cute this is. So I also bought these little silicone wraps for my bottles. It's kind of like a silicone condom so that the oils and water and whatever that are inside of your products don't spill. I tried it out already and these work so well. You just stretch it out and you put it on anything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this little condom, stretch it out, and then put it on. And it pretty much fits anything. It fits giant bottles, little bottles, and it's gonna prevent anything from spilling when you go up in the air. Let me just show you guys. This works for even big bottles as well. So let me do this to a Pantene bottle. But like, what? It even fits big bottles. They honestly will fit little bottles like this. Like what? That is such a little bottle and it fits. It fits. And yeah, they even fit weird bottles like this. How cool. Alright guys, it's like 8 hours until I need to leave for the airport. I'm literally done and all full glam because Matt and I are filming the ROTN podcast right now. We need to film 2 episodes and then we need to edit them before I leave to Europe because I don't want to be working and editing the podcast while I'm in Europe. So I am dedicated. So if you guys haven't, make sure to watch the freaking ROTN podcast, listen to it on Spotify, watch it on YouTube if you want. I am determined to get these podcasts up. This is kind of today's outfit. This is actually from ThredUp. This dress is from Zara. Look how beautiful it fits. How pretty. I'm obsessed with this dress. It is so freaking pretty. Okay, but let me go film. Also, I still need to pack. Still not fully packed yet. We're inside the podcast. I feel like I've never vlogged.
You've never vlogged.
I've never vlogged us actually doing the pod.
Well, I feel like you don't vlog that much anymore.
I don't really vlog. Yeah, that's right. guys, go check out the episode of ROTN. We're on like episode 33, which is crazy. Okay, so this is what we look at. I need to give you guys a proper tour of the podcast room. It looks really crazy, but these are so freaking bright. All right, guys, we just finished filming ROTN Podcast episode 33, baby. I am so freaking tired. It is like 1 a.m. I have to leave for the airport in 7 hours. I still have yet to pack, that's everything. And I still have yet to figure out all my outfits. I only have 7 outfits. I'm gonna be in freaking Europe for 10 days, so I need to figure out 3 more outfits. I'm gonna do this off camera and then I'll show you guys everything that I'm packing afterwards, just because I'm very stressed. I would love to film it. I had like so many ideas. I was gonna film a TikTok, I was gonna film a YouTube video, I was gonna film stories and post about every single little detail about my trip to Europe, but I realized I am so human and I'm very much a procrastinator and I'm really working on that. And I probably should have taken my medication today, but I didn't because I forgot about it because I have ADHD. So I'm just gonna do this off camera and then I'll show you guys everything that I'm packing. I'm gonna make it cute and aesthetic for you guys. It is 6 a.m. I need to leave in literally 2 hours. I'm so tired. I was gonna make the rest of my freaking video super aesthetic, but I wanted to pack everything first to see if everything would fit that I wanted to bring. Turns out I am clearly overpacking. This is like the heaviest my carry-on will ever be. It is 31 pounds. I can barely carry it over my head. Maybe because I'm tired, but like I'm also just very, very weak. But I had to pack and repack like 4 times. I'm hoping they don't make me check it in, because the reason why I don't like checking in bags is because once I flew to Seattle and they actually lost my bag for 2 days, and so I didn't have any clothes and it was just such a hassle, and the last thing I want is to be stressed out about that. But now I'm stressed out about the fact that if I'll even be allowed on the plane with all this stuff. But yeah, I'm super, super tired. I want to go to bed, so I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna end today's video here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm literally gonna sleep in my makeup. I like do not care. I'm just gonna show up to the airport, makeup fully done at 8 a.m. I'm too tired. But if you guys haven't yet, make sure to check out ThredUp and use my code TiffanyMott for 40% off if you guys haven't already. I'm literally so excited to wear all my ThredUp pieces in Europe. But yeah, I love you guys and I'll see you guys in another video. I'm so tired. Bye guys. Bye.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I've been lost in you.